In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz with Tally. So, first, open Tally.so and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create Form to begin. From here, you can either start with a blank form or choose a template if one fits the kind of quiz you want to build. A blank form gives you full control, while a template can help you move faster. Next, add a clear title for your quiz along with a short description. This helps participants understand what the quiz is about before they begin. For example, your title could be something like Digital Marketing Knowledge Quiz, Social Media Basics Test, or Customer Service Assessment. Keep the description short and specific so the purpose is immediately clear. After that, start adding your quiz questions. In Tally, you can use fields like multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-downs depending on how you want people to answer. Type in each question and then add the answer options underneath. For example, if your question is which platform is owned by Meta, your options might be YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Pinterest. Using clear, simple wording makes your quiz easier to complete and more accurate. Once your questions are in place, open the settings area and go to the quiz section. Turn on quiz mode. This is what enables automatic scoring and answer validation, so Tally can treat your form as a real quiz instead of a standard survey. Now go through each question and set the correct answer. Click into the question, choose the right option, and repeat that for all the quiz questions you've added. Tally uses these selections to calculate each participant's score, so it's important to review them carefully. Next, customize the quiz results. You can choose whether people see their total score, which answers were correct or incorrect, any explanations, or customized feedback. You can also decide if results appear immediately after submission or if they'll be reviewed later. If you want to make the experience more personalized, you can create score-based outcomes using conditional logic. For example, lower scores could display a beginner message, mid-range scores could show intermediate feedback, and higher scores could show an advanced result. Then customize the thank you page. This is the screen participants see after finishing the quiz. You can include a thank you message, their results, learning resources, next steps, or course recommendations. Before publishing, click Preview and test the quiz several times using different answers. Make sure scores calculate correctly, correct answers are recognized, results display properly, and any conditional outcomes work as expected. When everything looks good, click Publish, copy the public quiz link, and share it wherever you need, like email campaigns, social media, websites.